Just beautiful here in Wyoming. So much space out here, man. You put so many Walmarts down in there, Target. Right there between the streams, I put a Sonic or a bowling alley. Woo! All right, all right, all right. Hell yeah! Oh man! Just like riding a cow. Just like trying to ride a sheep after you've had a couple ranch waters. I totally would have died if this wasn't here. Oh, I still have like 5 miles to go up. Just gonna hang out here for a while. Hopefully this dies off. So I got a Mountain Dew and some potato chips calling my name. That shit great. Yeah, it's like super humid here in the afternoons. Oh my god, the route is gonna be so muddy. The route's probably gonna be really muddy, maybe even tomorrow. This is a pretty good downpour. This is like the most it has rained since I've been on the entire trip. Bit of a rough night. I swear that was my pair of underwear. I don't know where I'm going. This is all so grizzly bear to me. Woo! It's freezing, man. Holy hell. I just spent 2 hours, 2.5 hours at that overlook trying to beat this storm. It was crazy, man. I'm lucky it was there. I would have died. I don't know what I would have done. I would have maybe backtracked down to the lodge and hung out on their porch or something. Whew. That was a tough one. That was 6 miles of Jimi Hendrix, man. I believe that's the highest elevation I've hit on this trip so far. 95. And it wasn't really all that bad of a climb. I mean, it was steep. And the rain, I did have to wait that rain out for like 2 hours, but my God, man. Look at that, the Bridger-Teton National Forest. It looks like I'm getting ready to enter the Shoshone National Forest, which I've never been through. I love collecting national parks and national forests, guys. The Targhee, the Deer Lodge, the Beaverhead, Bridger-Teton, and the Shoshone. I think those are all new national parks, national forests for me. But look at that. 6% down to 17 miles up. Oh my God, is that what I did? Anyway. Doing some kind of downhill, heading for a campground of some sort, I think, or maybe a lodge or something. I don't know. I don't know. The weather's crazy. That 2 hours really held me up. Really put me in a weird spot. But anyway, I'm gonna do this downhill and get going. I'm starting to freeze already. I think I'm getting ready for the downhill of a lifetime here. It's gonna be freezing. I don't know if I should put a coat on or not. But it should be all downhill to 2 possible camping spots. That picnic area right back there, I don't know. What's the difference? I just want to drop elevation because it's going to be freezing tomorrow morning. Okay, everybody, made it down to Falls Campground in the Shoshone National Forest. I got the REI Flash Share 1 set up. Got a little campsite here, campsite 21. And it's looking pretty good. I got that extra guy line on tonight. Super windy. Tons of rain this afternoon, and I don't know. We'll probably get more tonight, but excellent view of the Wind River Range right behind me here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get dinner going. I don't really know what I have. I have a can of chicken noodle soup, a bag of Chex Mix, and anything else in there is a surprise. So pretty slim. I do have oatmeal for breakfast, and there might be like M&Ms in there or something like that. So I do have food for now, tomorrow morning, and that should be enough probably to get me to another convenience store. I think there's or something coming up, some kind of food, something, I don't know. Not necessarily a grocery store, but some kind of resupply point, gas station or lodge. But that's about it. 57 miles for the day. It's pretty good. It was all right. I mean, I got an early start. There was a lot of him and hawing, whether if I was going to Jackson or not. But if I get an early start for tomorrow, I might be able to make Pinedale. But you're talking, you know, that's like 100 and it might be like 110 miles or something like that. But there is free camping, bicycle specific free camping in town. So I might pull a huge day and then the following day take a look around town. There's a population of like 10,000 people in Pinedale, so I might take a look around town, try to find that micro USB to lightning cord that I need to fire up my drone. However, like I said guys, that part is ordered, and there will be more drone footage, but this is really what I wanted to film. Pinedale is kind of the start of the Great Basin as well, so I'm going to be getting my stuff together and looking at water. I've already taken a look at the map. There's a couple interesting spots. There's just really no water out there, so it's gonna be full water and all of that, but that's coming up in a couple days. I don't know, enjoying my time. Today was interesting. I like riding in the rain. I didn't like coming over that pass with all that lightning and stuff. I'm really glad there was that little shelter area for me to hang out in. I am ready for bed. This is gonna be a great one. I had a great time at the Grand Tetons, and I don't know, that was day 15. Not too much to it, not overly exciting. I did make it through the Bridger Teton National Forest, and I'm in the Shoshone, which I think I'll be bouncing back and forth between the two all day tomorrow, which is super exciting to me. You know, it's always great to get back at the Grand Tetons. I got to spend 2 nights there, one stealth and one at the campground, $14. This campground cost me 15 bills. They got water, they got bathrooms, they got food storage there for the bears and everything. So I'm glad it was open. I mean, if it wasn't open, I'd be camping at the end of their driveway anyway. Like, they do have like an overlook or something like that here at this campground. I would have camped there. If I kept going down further down the road, there was a lodge. I don't want to pay like $250 a night for what I'm doing here. Thanks for staying tuned, everybody. I'm gonna try to get some food going, and we'll do this thing. Yeah, so we got you can't see that, there we are, chicken noodle soup, no big deal. And I'm cooking directly in the bear box tonight, guys. It's so windy out here, so I'm shielding myself from the wind. Getting the cook on, which is making it super fuel efficient there. So, can you see me? The rain's starting to pick up again. Hopefully the hail chills out. I'm taking this thing damn near boiled tonight. I don't even care. Day 15, everybody. Here at the Lava Mountain Lodge this morning, guys, just doing a quick resupply here. Really not a great spot for resupply. It's like the shelves are empty. But I grabbed what I could. A bunch of candy. I grabbed a beer, 2 Cokes, and that should be able to get me 90 miles down to Pinedale. I think there's a gas station in like 40 miles or so, so I'll try to get what I can get there. But bumped into another guy I've been leapfrogging for the past couple weeks, Tom. And he's heading down to, he's doing like the entire thing except for like the last 40 miles of the trail, because it's just like super boring down there in New Mexico. Okay, day 16. Day 16, feeling pretty good. About 8 o'clock in the morning here. Got my resupply on. Got a cup of coffee there at the Lava Mountain Lodge, which is the strangest resupply on earth. They did have little cabins out around back. It's like I wish you never know what you're getting into. I mean, I was cold and wet last night. It was like push another 6 miles and see if they have a spot for me. No, I had to go for the Sure Shot campsite, but definitely would have liked to one of these times get like a little cabin or something. They're so tempting. They look so nice. 40 miles from now, yeah, I'm gonna try to hit a grocery store and try to get lunch. But I think I could skip dinner. If I skip dinner, you know, that'll kind of funnel me into making me push the 90 miles to Pinedale. Tom's only going like 50 miles today, which is weird. Which is kind of weird to me. I don't know. There is a lot of climbing today, though. This is gonna totally suck. We're going over Union Pass to 9,200 feet. Anyway, back on the road, loving Wyoming. Loving it out here. Beautiful day. It's gonna be hot. And yeah, the locals were saying this is like the kind of place where you have to take like clothes for everything, protection for everything, sunscreen, gloves, boots and a hat. Don't forget your bathing suits. It's gonna be 105 degrees. But these afternoons are crazy, and I think I don't know, somebody said like they're going through like there's like some monsoon kind of thing going on. Every afternoon there's gonna be like a tremendous thunderstorm, so I'm trying to get as far as I can today before that happens. So 8 o'clock, pretty good. It gives me about 6 hours, I feel, to get where I need to get to, and hopefully I should be over Union Pass by then and far away from 9,200 feet in elevation as I can. There's some cows, no, horses. Yeah, I did not realize Tom was at that campsite last night where I was. He must have, I don't know, maybe he was there before I got there, or he got in late. I mean, I didn't see him. I didn't see him this morning. I did kind of pick like the first campsite I came to. It was just, I don't care. I'm not looking around for a nice spot. It's like getting dark out. What's the difference, you know? So he came down from where I was, but I got an earlier start on him. Ate at the Lava Mountain. He showed up and then was like getting breakfast. So it's like, damn, I was kind of hoping to ride with him. We're kind of at the same pace, but he like disappeared. I was kind of looking forward to riding with somebody today. Like I said, I've been kind of down lately. I took a route yesterday that, you know, you could have completely avoided by taking the road because it was like 4 or 5 miles longer if you went the divide. I chose to go the divide because I'm a little bit of a purist. I can't sleep at night if I like cheated or missed that section or something, so that's the route I went. And I got up to that convenience store and I asked the lady if she saw any other cyclists today, and she was like, I saw a ton, but they all came up the road. They didn't come up the way you did. She said she saw like 15 cyclists. They all came by on the road, and I popped out of the woods, and I was like, yeah, I was looking at the map, and I could see people absolutely taking the road, absolutely doing 7 miles over. It was like 16 miles or something, so almost double the mileage. And there were some muddy sections and stuff, but like a couple points in that route that I took, there were literally spider webs going across the trail. I was like, nobody came through here today, you know? I don't know. I hope I see some people. There should be people in Pinedale tonight. There has to be. So Tom's doing 50. I'm gonna do 90. That'll like hopefully jump me to like another group of people. I'm gonna check out this roadside monument. All right, that was pretty cool. I don't know, honoring the timbermen of Wyoming, 1946, delivering timbers across the state. That's cool. That's cool. I don't know if we need all these stairs for that, but all right. Super, super nice out here. My God. Ah. The Shoshone. Or Shoshone. I don't know. Could be saying it wrong. Somebody will let me know. I know that. Is it Shoshone or is it Shoshone? Let me know. I think I gotta pump up that rear tire a little bit. Lost some juice. Getting back on the bike. And gonna do what I do. Day 16. Let me write down how many miles I did yesterday before I forget. Got 20 miles in so far. Heading up Union Pass, 9,200 feet. Some nice riding. Some really nice gravel roads. Still a little wet from yesterday, I guess. I'm actually higher than Union Pass right now. I'm at 9,400 feet right now. And Union Pass is at 92. If you can see in the background, big rock formation there. I camped under that last night. So I've been riding from there this morning, came up. Here we are, 20 miles later. 25 miles later. Whoa, shit. Ah. Whoa, oh. Woo, man, blasting through the Wind River. It is so nice out here, man. I've wanted to get here all my life. The Wind River Range and the Absaroka. Here I am, man. This is so nice. Woo! One-handed. Hey! Yeah! Woo! All right. Woo! This is so much fun. Oh. Stuck at these right-hand turns. Oh shit. Ah. Yeah, man. That's what it's all about. It's a dream boat out here. Two chocolate milks today, Mike. Yeah.